Sign up for my free ukulele course with the link down below. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele, so let's get started.
So today's tutorial, we're going to use the kick bowl on the 3rd fret. Now if you guys don't have one, I will have the chords in the comment section or in the description where you guys can actually play it without it. Also, I will be teaching the chords and the strum pattern, and then after that I'll have a play along with lyrics and the chords. You guys can do that. So let's get started with the chords. Alright, so with the kick bowl on, chord that we're going to use is C. Chords that we're going to use: C, A minor, E minor, F, G, and also D minor. Okay. So C, A minor, E minor, F, G, and D minor. Alright, so the strum pattern for this is going to be down strums, and it's going to be like a regular strum. So on the and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so starting with the chords, this is actually the intro. I should have it up here for you guys so you guys can follow along. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So what I'm also doing is when I'm strumming down, I'm also muting the strings so that it doesn't ring out. There it goes. Alright, so that is the strum pattern for that. Now let's go into the play along. I'll have the lyrics on the screen with the chords, and then you guys can follow along.
So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.